Hi everyone, Josh Legard here from KickoffLabs, the audience growth platform where we let you quickly set up lead capture, viral giveaways, and product launches where your fans become your best influencers by engaging in some competitions set up through KickoffLabs. I'm going to share with you 5 emails you should be sending during your giveaway campaign. Let's assume you've got your giveaway set up. Here's a cool giveaway template for Sam Seltzer. So I've built out my entry page for this Sam Seltzer giveaway. I've entered my compelling headline. And if I enter the campaign, I will now be signed up and I can earn more entries below. And so these are all KickoffLabs features enabled on giveaways by default. But the thing that you might want to consider enabling is the emails as part of the participation in this campaign to bring people back and to engage them along the way. So let's talk about the emails you should be setting up during any giveaway campaign, whether you use our product or any other product to set up your giveaway. So email number 1, as soon as someone signs up, like I just did on that page, you want to be sending them a thank you that reminds them that there are more opportunities to get engaged and earn more entries throughout the campaign, and thank them for signing up for your giveaway or participating in the giveaway. So you can find that within KickoffLabs under Setup, under Messaging, and the automatic reply email. So you can see by default it's not being set. You want to turn that on. And some tips for this automatic reply email. It goes out to everyone that enters. The subject line should remind people about the prize. It should be branded. It shouldn't just say thank you. And then the message body can be really simple, like thanks for signing up, earn additional entries in the promotion by sharing with your friends. And we include an easy link where people can go back and check their status in the campaign and earn additional entries as part of this giveaway. Email number 2, during your giveaway, you've already got an email list. You want to send out a second reminder to people to participate maybe halfway through or 1 week in or 2 weeks into the giveaway campaign. Ideally, if you're running it for multiple weeks, you're running it for 3 or 4 weeks, you want to send one of these emails every week. So this is their reminder to keep participating. You might send that through MailChimp, through Klaviyo, through your email service provider. Just give people a link back to their status page. A quick tip within KickoffLabs for sending these reminder emails is that you can go to all settings. Under all settings, there's this cool feature called the instant signup link. So the instant signup feature is just an easy way for people to get back to their campaign and share with friends, check how many entries they've earned, and just keep engaging in the campaign without having to sign up again. All right, email number 3. You may not be running a reward level campaign where people are earning rewards as they participate in the campaign. You might just be running a simple giveaway like I showed where you've just got a grand prize, but you can set up reward emails to be triggered on their engagement. So as people are earning points in the campaign and referring friends, following you on Facebook, liking your posts on Instagram, you can come in here and say, okay, when somebody earns 3 points, let's set the reward description to just say, thanks for sharing. And we aren't going to show this in UI, but we are going to send emails to them. And we are going to get notified when somebody sets this up. So within KickoffLabs, you create this reward level. It's not something that's a prize that they're winning, but you're just triggering this email. If you think about the psychology, when people start participating in a campaign, if they don't get recognition for that, they're going to stop participating. But if you're giving people recognition for participating in your campaigns, they're going to keep sharing. They're going to keep telling friends. You're going to get more out of each micro-influencer in your audience than you would have otherwise. That's why this is the 3rd email you should be sending during your giveaway campaign. Email number 4, during the giveaway campaign, give people a sense of urgency. When that countdown timer is counting down to the last days of the campaign, you want to remind people, hey, you've only got 24, 48 hours, whatever it is, just something within a couple days of the campaign ending to remind people there's still a chance to earn entries. If you haven't registered, go ahead and register now. You'll see a massive flux of signups the last day with that email. A lot of people forget to send the email. Again, this is an email you would send maybe through MailChimp, through Klaviyo. Use the instant signup link from KickoffLabs to make that easy email drop dead simple to send. Number 5. So this is the 5th email. Once the contest is over, do not forget to email people and say, the contest ended. Here's the winner. Here's a picture of the winner with their prize maybe, but also here's how everybody can win. I'm emailing you a 20%, 30% discount coupon for our store. And for participating in the campaign, you get to use this discount code. It's exclusive to you. Stay tuned for our next campaign. This is just a way to thank everyone for getting involved, make everybody feel like they're a winner, and also just selfishly to market your site, to promote your store, and to drive more sales as part of the campaign. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed these 5 emails you should be sending after someone signs up for your giveaway.